If you could learn an approach for innovating without the possibility of failure, would you be willing to give it a try? I learned an approach to innovation when I was 12, and I've used it throughout my career in the pharmaceutical industry. I think it can work for you too. My dad, a serial entrepreneur, took my 10-year-old brother and me to the Hot Jobs cafeteria 3 mornings straight so we could see how they could clear tables faster and serve more customers. We had a problem to solve. Sitting in the big red vinyl booth, we timed the diners, busboys, and waitresses and made diagrams in our notebooks. We observed in order to understand. Turns out the culprit was sugar packets. The customers crumpled them up, spewing sugar granules on the table and the floor. That mess took time to clean up. Then we started ideating solutions. Everything from a liquid dispenser to replace the sugar packets, to waste receptacles at each of the table. Each idea took us further along our innovation journey. We never failed because even at that tender age, we learned to pivot. We kept exploring solutions until we designed a plastic, cube-shaped tabletop receptacle we called the Sugar Cube. We sold it to the Hot Jobs cafeteria that summer. This approach to innovation isn't child's play. In the world of big pharma, companies that make innovation part of their culture consistently deliver winners. Pivoting to a different path has saved lives. In the 90s, I was working with a team of clinical scientists developing a new drug for a debilitating disease that hadn't seen a breakthrough in 40 years. I worked closely with patients and physicians and discovered the challenges inherent in our bringing our new therapeutic to market. Through a process of problem solving and pivoting, we designed a novel biologic that changed the lives of people suffering from Crohn's disease. So how can you innovate without fail? First, find your sugar packet, a problem worth solving. Second, eliminate failure from your vocabulary and replace it with pivot. Pivot as you learn more. Most importantly, enjoy the journey. There is a reason that innovators have so much passion. This is an energizing path, a liberating path, a fulfilling path. It's about so much more than not failing. So what are you waiting for?